What?
I am the refrigerator Genie! You opened the refrigerator 3 times, which means that, according to the refrigerator Genie handbook, you get a wish!
But I do that all the time.
But this time it's special!
Well, world peace, that'd be pretty cool.
It has to be food related!
Well, filet mignon sounds pretty good.
Oh, I'm sorry. You're out of filet mignon. But you can have this hot dog.
Oh, well, I don't really want that hot dog. I'm still kind of full from lunch. Just really want to grab a drink, I guess.
You can't have a drink, Joshua, until you eat this hot dog.
I don't want that hot dog.
You eat it! No.
Is there anything else I can wish for? I mean, this is just.
No. Now eat the hot dog.
I don't want that hot dog. I don't know what to tell you.
Do you want it now?
No, I don't want the hot dog now. You want to go, little man?
Is that a knife in your hand?
Yeah, it is. Why?
Why don't you look again?
Why? It's still just a normal
hot dog!
Ah! What's up with you and your obsession with hot dogs? Give me my knife back!
Check your hand.
It's still a hot dog!
I know! Now you can eat it!
No, you know what? Yeah, screw this. I saw this in Aladdin. I wish for your freedom.
Nobody's ever thought of me before.
Alright, you're welcome. Just, can you please let me have my fridge now?
Save 2 pennies back for the ferryman! Or when you go to hell, because the stores belong to me now!
Side, and I'll always be on your side till the end of time. I will always be on your side.
Why don't you look again?
Why? It's still just a normal
hot dog!
Ah! 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 Ah!